gay. So, me and Erin are going to do a birthday contest. But with the drinking different stuff. She's on Coke. I'm on Bacardi. It tastes nice. See if we're actually going to be able to do this. I've got another can as well because I don't burp as well as her. This is going to take time. That failed. Especially for Callum Watkins. This is especially for Callum Watkins, by the way. His girlfriend.
I
was expecting that. What was that? What was that? This one's so good, I'm sorry. That was a mutual. Anybody wants to know? There's Alex on Skype behind us. in the middle of a video. Oh my god. You need to put that as slow motion. Ninja. That's lovely. Do you have one out? I'm running out. I've got really dodgy laugh for that. What are you even laughing at? You! Zoe. Okay. Pardon. Let me think, all this is going to go back to Jack. Here's a towel. It's all right, you failure. That was a nasty one. Sitting it on me. It all over the cat. Don't spit it on me. Just spit it in the towel.
out there.
Instead of the recording.
It's flashing.
You know, laughing while you're drinking actually makes you burp more.
It's just going to be trampy door, isn't there?
All the trampy little ones.
Yeah,
So all
trampy
the others
little
weren't trampy.
just like prick.
Alex is just looking like, what? Girls are burping on camera. Just put it on YouTube.
Yellow. Taking 7. Pretty wrong. She's not a What was that?
I don't know. What's on?
Another bat. What is that so funny?
I don't know.
She reminds me of some like little possessed kid.
If you can't hear this, basically every little thing does something go worse.
Talking to me?
No, but yeah.
Talking to?
Basically, Alex, we're filming this.
Alright.
What should be filming like up here?
Yeah.
I'm not on there, am
uh.
I? I'm not on there. I'm not on the video, am
We'd all have standing in a circle and all just doing belcher all at the same time. Like one massive burp.
Yeah. Alex.
I could fart and burp at the same time. Big effect.
Alex, you burp.
What?
You burp.
Nah, I can't because my mum and dad are asleep.
It's a natural cause.
Not why not? Why not? Why not fucking
Callum's going to think you rank for this.
No what?
makeup sex because
Oh.
We should call Jack and bring him back to the phone.
Ooh. Ringing it.
Shall I?
Mm-hmm.
We both need to have a burp breathing now.
I'm brewing. I got one. You want to hurry up? Go back. Oh, it's gone now. That's it?
Yeah, I think that's it. Ish. Comment, rate, subscribe, but